Dark Shadows. Premiered 1966. The Haunting of Hill House. Premiered 2018. More The Haunting of Hill House, hidden details and behind-the-scenes tricks that add meaning to The Haunting of Hill House. 15 of 73 sci-fi shows you should be watching now. 4 of 638 the best original streaming shows of the last few years. Tales from the Darkside. Premiered 1983. More Tales from the Darkside. 5 of 61 the creepiest shows in TV history. 29 of 49 the best vampire TV shows of all time. Ranked 1298 of 1322 the best guilty pleasure TV shows. Channel 0. Premiered 2016. The Strain. Premiered 2014. More The Strain. 155 of 277 the most overrated TV shows of all time. 30 of 67 the best FX original shows. 433 of 640 the best TV shows to binge watch. Goosebumps. Premiered 1995. More Goosebumps. Fan theories about Goosebumps. 141 of 142 the most annoying kids shows of all time. Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Premiered 1997. More Buffy the Vampire Slayer. All of the behind-the-scenes drama from Buffy. Grimm. Premiered 2011. More Grimm. The best seasons of Grimm. 115 of 339 the best TV shows of the last 20 years. The Stand. Premiered 1994. More The Stand. The best characters from The Stand miniseries. 720 of 1540 the most rewatchable movies. 20 of 317 the greatest disaster movies of all time. The Outer Limits. Premiered 1963. Twin Peaks. Premiered 1990. More Twin Peaks is the scariest thing ever aired on television. The best Twin Peaks characters. Ash vs. Evil Dead. Premiered 2015. Are You Afraid of the Dark? Premiered 1991. More Are You Afraid of the Dark? The Midnight Society from Are You Afraid of the Dark? Where Are They Now? 13 of 112 the best Nickelodeon original shows. 10 of 83 the best after-school shows from the 90s. Alfred Hitchcock Presents. Premiered 1955. More Alfred Hitchcock Presents. 58 of 381 the greatest TV dramas of all time. 45 of 201 the TV shows with the best writing. 17 of 54 the best NBC dramas of all time. Hannibal. Premiered 2013. More Hannibal. 12 reasons why Mads Mikkelsen is the best Hannibal Lecter. 30 hilarious Hannibal memes that leave us hungry for more. Bates Motel. Premiered 2013. Penny Dreadful. Premiered 2014. More Penny Dreadful. Which Penny Dreadful character are you based on your zodiac? 12 Easter eggs and Penny Dreadful designed for brainy viewers. 154 of 538 TV shows cancelled before their time. The X-Files. Premiered 1993. More The X-Files. The X-Files episodes that made us say you. 23 X-Files storylines that were based on real-life stories. 43 of 239. The greatest TV shows for women. The Walking Dead. Premiered 2010. More The Walking Dead. The Walking Dead is as big a nightmare behind the scenes as it is on screen. Walking Dead TV characters who are most different from their comic book counterparts. Tales from the Crypt. Premiered 1989. More Tales from the Crypt. 285 of 687. The best cartoons of all time. 12 of 96. The best HBO original series. 34 of 266. The best cult TV shows of all time. Supernatural. Premiered 2005. More Supernatural. The 20 weirdest Supernatural episodes. Rank it 29 Supernatural memes that remind us why it remains one of our favorite TV shows ever. 216 of 474. The funniest TV shows of all time. American Horror Story. Premiered 2011. More American Horror Story. American Horror Story interviews that remind us why they are the best cast on TV. American Horror Story is actually the funniest show you're too afraid to watch. Stranger Things. Premiered 2016. More Stranger Things. Who would be in Stranger Things if it were cast in the 80s? The best characters on Stranger Things. Rank. The Twilight Zone. Premiered 1959. More The Twilight Zone. Small details from The Twilight Zone that make the show much better. 10 of 313. The best sci-fi television series of all time. 13 of 389. TV shows that only smart people appreciate.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.